that he hasn't killed Chelsea Diamond.
Look at dogs. Over here, dogs. Oh shoot, my glasses. Look at that crazy hot dog.
Look at the little devil one.
Where's that little devil?
Look at the little horny devil. Horny devil.
Come out in the light, dogs. Come out here. I like that.
This is the greatest thing I've ever seen. My faith in humanity is restored.
Lucius.
Lucius is like, I'd love to play, but I have these big heavy wings on me. He's looking at me.
He wants to play with you. He looks all excited.
Oh, you want to play. You wish that was for a back scratch. You're a hot dog.
You're a hot dog.
Hot dogs.
Now you're getting ketchup all over your fingers.
I'm gonna eat you up. I'm gonna eat you up. You look yummy. You look like a tasty snack.
Take Lucius to Cynthia. She wanted to see him. You have to share this with the world.
Lucius, your mask is falling off.
See, this is really funny.
Come on, your daddy made your mask too big.
Oh, cool.
And here's, now if Willie walks in.
This is nice.
This one's the funniest. We can create a little piece this way.
I know.
Way too much time.
Come on, Lucius. Come on. Let's go see Cynthia. Let's go.
Okay, I'll send everybody a copy.
Yes, you have to. That's the best.